How to add another account in Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial video, I'm here to guide on the easy way to add another account in Telegram. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Telegram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Now tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. On the left panel, you will see the no name, that means my profile. So you can simply tap on the arrow button next to my profile. Here you've got the option to add account. Tap on add account button. Now on this section, you have to enter the country name that you lie or you reside on. After that, automatically under phone number, you will get the country code. Then enter the phone number as well. If you wish to sync the contacts, you need to check mark sync contacts option. Make sure that the phone number should be different from your another account so that it does not collide. So now tap on the arrow button at the bottom right corner once you have entered the phone number. Then you have to verify your phone number. Once you do that, you can easily add another account in Telegram. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.